Welcome to the 4 Points by Sheraton, a Marriott hotel located on International Drive right here in Orlando. The Sheraton is located directly across International Drive from the Dockside and Surfside Universal's resorts. For a fraction of the cost of staying at a Universal resort, you get amazing customer service and some pretty awesome views. Now, this hotel has a little bit of everything. A beautiful lobby, great breakfast, free coffee, free Wi-Fi, free transportation to the parks. It also has a beautiful pool, a small game room, but lots of grab-and-go items too as well. One special call out I'd like to make is the customer service. I was treated like a king while I was here, and I loved every minute of it. And they did the same for every guest that walked through that front door. That was awesome. Breakfast is free if you're a Bonvoy member, so make sure you sign up if you weren't, and you'll get your free coupon and have free breakfast. The gym is adequate for on-the-go travelers that do like to get in a quick run or workout. And they also had some conference areas, which is pretty cool. So you business folks, book a meeting. Now, they did have a vacation planner on site, so if you needed tickets to any of the theme parks, they're there to help you out. Have you stayed here before? If so, let us know what you thought in the comments. We appreciate it. Now, my favorite part, the pool, which includes a pool bar. So it's a little something for everybody out here, including a splash pad and some fun for the kids. So let's take a look around. Hey you, watching our video. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up. Let us know how we're doing in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. One of my favorite parts of this place was the pool. It was perfect. I loved every minute of it. It's time for a room tour. So let's get on up there and check it out. The room was clean, but the view was the best. Absolutely loved it, especially at night. When visiting Orlando, what's your first choice? Is it Universal or is it Disney? Well, I prefer Universal for a couple of reasons. I love Harry Potter and I love everything to do with it. Number two, I absolutely love Jurassic Park, and then I just can't get enough of that Kong ride. Did you know this hotel's on International Drive? What a centrally located, great location. You can even see Volcano Bay from here, which is super cool. There's 2 restaurants, an IHOP, a coffee shop, and a 7-Eleven, all within a 2-minute walking distance of the hotel. We've come to the end of the video, but it's really not the end. Book a trip. Get your butt to Orlando, stay at the 4 Points Sheraton directly across the street from Surfside and Dockside Universal, and have a blast. Thanks for watching.